Hello, my name is Gisele Schoniger, also known as G, and I'm the educator at Kellogg Garden Products. And this is my friend over here.
I'm Nicholas Staddon. I'm the plantsman for Village Nurseries. Today we're going to talk about Blue Ribbon potting soil. I'm just getting to know this fantastic product. What's it all about?
Well, this is a great moisture holding product because of the coconut coir and the peat. Has a whole host of organic nutrients, including mycorrhizae. So great for indoor, outdoor plants, hanging baskets, just the perfect mix.
We made it home safe and sound. End of the day, we're in the garden, we're going to pot some plants. What we're going to put into a container is this fabulous new rose called Ice Cap. And why we believe Ice Cap is so important is we believe this is going to be a great contender to replace Iceberg that so many people are using. Wonderful cascade of white flowers, deep green foliage, has a much higher disease resistance than Iceberg. Mildew is a real problem with that plant. And then the other thing is a lot of the icebergs in the autumn time will take on this real pink blush to them, and Ice Cap will not do that. So keep an eye out for this plant. There's going to be lots of them coming at Village Nurseries. But we've got this great professional grade potting soil. Tell us about it.
So this is a water saving mix. We add coconut coir, which is a sustainable material, holds 7 times its dry weight in water. It also has peat moss, a whole host of organic nutrients, and this one has pumice in it as well. I actually prefer pumice over perlite in a potting mix. So great moisture holding, but good drainage, high nutrient content, and we add mycorrhizae into it.
Well, and mycorrhizae is?
So mycorrhizae has been on the planet for 460 million years, and basically it is a beneficial root fungus that allows the plant to utilize water and nutrients more efficiently.
And that's in this bag?
That's in that bag. The other thing I want to mention is that it's certified organic. It's OMRI approved, OMRI listed, and it's also CDFA, California Department of Food and Agriculture, certified organic.
Great. Let's plant something.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to put some Blue Ribbon Blend into the container, and then we're going to add some worm castings. Now, even though we add worm castings into the potting mix, I really like to add additional worm castings. And then I'm going to add some fertilizer into the mix. About a half a cup for that. Non-burning, safe to use, inoculated with beneficial bacteria and mycorrhizae, and then we're going to mix it in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set the rose into the container.
So we're going to be really careful with her. We're going to lose a little soil. Turn her upside down, all right, Gisele?
Okay.
Perfect. Look at that. How beautifully rooted. So you hold the stem, make sure you have a hand on her bottom, quietly turn her over and place her in the pot. Look at that. How perfect is that? This is great soil.
I love this mix because you can use it for indoor, outdoor, hanging baskets. Really, this is really a step up with the coconut coir for somebody that is really a kind of a plant connoisseur and wants a step up in their potting soil. You get what you pay for in a potting soil. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of worm castings around the edge on both sides.
So she's about 2 inches from the top, which is perfect because this is going to settle a little bit.
And I'm also going to add a little more fertilizer around the top. And then we're going to top it with the rest of the soil.
That's it. One more scoop with her.
Yep.
Container gardening goes from strength to strength in the United States. It's not going away anytime soon. Gisele, give us a quick summary about the Blue Ribbon Potting Blend.
Well, this is what I use at home, and I love it because it has the perfect balance between moisture holding and good breathability. This is a great product for indoor and outdoor container use, and it does have a great nutrient charge, but I still use a liquid fertilizer. This is the all-purpose, the G&B organic all-purpose fertilizer, and you can use that every time you water, or you can use it once a week, whatever your feeding schedule is.
Fantastic. The plants, the liquid fertilizer, the Blue Ribbon potting soil, all of these things can be purchased at Village Nurseries landscape centers.